Bunny Iglesias, new character introduced in blue lock. I'm going to do him with the rock and roll symbol. So, 3/4 pose, smiling, big eyes. Right, so diagonal sort of head, right? So, we'll start with this eye. Up and over, sort of down the back. Not much of a bottom eyelid, just like his bottom of his big colour part of his eye. That's all sort of, they draw in little dots there maybe. And then we can darken up this top area. His nose line is like in there. But he's got like big eyes, right? So very big, dark edges to them, especially, right? So like curves around like that. But this is like a thick, heavy black eye line. And then his pupil like in here, looking up to the left. Right, and then we got an eyelid line going across there, and then his eyebrow. So his nose just goes this way, carving out, back in. That reminds me of Demon Slayer, got a bit of a shadow there. It's kind of like thicker on the tip of it. And then his nostril like there. His other eye kind of goes underneath his hair, but we will have to probably draw it all. So we'll go diagonal, down that way. And then here, a little bit of a spike or two. And then it goes back thicker like the other side. Right, so that's like the top eyelid line. Again, his bottom eyelid line kind of not much, just this. And then a very, very dark iris. Right, so like heavy, thick. And then his pupil. And then we get another sort of eyelid line, kind of broken, but there's hair all over this. So, and his eyebrow is in there somewhere. So he's got that, he's been through some stuff. He's got that scar coming like over his eye. Wonder if they'll reveal what happened. I think that's ridiculous. Big scar. Goes over his nose. Does it go up his eye as well? I think it does, but there's lots of hair here, so I'm not sure how far it goes really. Big smile. So it's one of those, like right underneath his eye here, it's got like a dimple, and then a dimple, yeah, like here as well, and it just goes there, and it's kind of like it stops, you know, sort of doesn't join the other side. It's one of those. And then his chin there, and like proportions of things, pupil, say to the nostril, about the same as nostril to chin, that's about the same as that. And then nostril to his bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. That's kind of proportions of the human face, generally. And then we got a jaw on this side. Cheek on this side, so it curves in, out, and back in. In, out, and back in. And then this joins his sort of sideburn up here. So we got his ear here. We got some ear lines inside. His ear on the other side is like here. Maybe like a sideburn there. It's mostly covered with his hair, so we can't see all of it. So he's kind of got loose silver hair hanging down, right? So sort of spikes coming down here. Right, so then there's like a part in his hair sort of here. And then more fringe. Hanging down over his eye here. It's a long one. And then a short one. And then a longer one. We should see the top of his ear then there. So then all the hair just sort of going this way then. This just goes up and over. And the kind of part in his hair then is like here. Okay, so that's his hair pretty much. You can add more texture to that if you want, but I think that's enough for me. So his neck then, down that way, the back of it. So his collar there, and the white part here. I'd imagine it goes behind the shoulder, although it's not visible. And then his back just down that way, because we're looking like down at him. But there's all like words here, so they don't draw it in. But we can see like his neck, muscles here. And there's like something to do with his jersey there. And then the fingers. So this way, relatively straight up. A little bit bumpy. Knuckles, two of them down. And then this one straight up. We can see his fingernail. Here and here, real sort of square fingernails. And then like he does these little extra details. Like this sort of thing. On the joints, the knuckles and stuff. Okay. Bunny Inglesias. Hope it's helpful. Did I get it all? Yeah. See you in the next one.